welcome to DIY series with Dr. Gauri. So we are back after a short break, and this week we are going to make a sheet mask with compressed sheet and with very simple ingredients. So where in one I'm going to show you two types. In one I'm going to use rose water and glycerin and essential oil of your choice, and in the second one I'm going to show you with green tea, which is already I have made a concoction of it, and in which I will add aloe vera gel. Okay, so let's get started. So I've taken here one bowl. So we'll make the first one first. Okay, so for which we need this compressed sheet. Okay, these are easily available on Amazon or Flipkart and all. So we need this one. So now what I'm going to do is take around 3 spoonfuls of rose water, and in which I'm going to add half a teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Okay, and give it a nice stir. Okay, once it is done, I'll add 3 to 4 drops of lavender essential oil. Okay, stir it well, and now you have to drop this compressed tablet in this. Okay, so this will get soaked. Okay, so you can keep it aside, let it activate for around 5 minutes, and then I will show you how to apply it on the face. Okay, so this is our first DIY. The second one, I have taken green tea concoction. So same, we will take 3 spoonfuls of green tea, to which I will add a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Okay, I'm not adding any essential oil in this one. Give it a nice mix. Okay, let this aloe vera gel completely dissolve. Okay, so once it's dissolved, we'll cut one more sheet here. And we will add it in this one. Okay, as I said, always whenever you make any kind of mask, okay, make sure you soak it for a while, for at least 5 minutes. Let the ingredients get activated, and then you put it on the face. Okay, so I'll still open and show you what's happened with this. Okay, so just open it, and you have to just place it on your face. Okay, so isn't it very easy? And there is another surprise. I am working on some hampers which are for Diwali, and yeah, let me show you a sneak peek of it. So it is with Shahi Uptan, which was our hot selling last year. Then our handmade candles. Okay, candles can be custom made as per your wish, which color or which essential oil you want in it, and they are pure soy wax vegan candles. Okay, and this is a hand and foot lotion which is with sandalwood essential oil. It's really smells divine, and it's very light, very quick absorbing, and very nourishes. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you next week, next Friday, same time at 12 noon. And tomorrow, if somebody wants to join for our resin art workshop, are most welcome to DM me. I'll share the details. Thank you.